What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to you all. Today I wanted to do my very first unboxing for the year. Before I get into this video, I wanted to just give you guys a quick shout out. You guys have been supportive, and I really appreciate how you guys love my Zara videos. I'm writing that down so I could make more videos for you guys. But yeah, I'm very thankful for you guys. And to my new subscribers, hello, welcome. I know you don't know me yet, but you will, so just sit back, get comfy, and enjoy. So yeah, let's get into this video, guys. I actually had these boots on my Christmas wish list, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little backstory. I've been looking at these boots since June of last year, and I was so back and forth about it because I felt like I couldn't pull them off. Like, are they really my style? Like, how would I look? This is such a bold look. And I eventually was just like looking at them coming off the website, until around like Christmas time, when I realized that I really want these boots. Like, I shouldn't have to limit myself to a certain standard or whatever. Like, if I want these boots, why not get them? So I tried to get these boots, and it was sold out. The website didn't have it, the store didn't have it, and I got to a point where I was just like, you know what, like, I'll just wait till after Christmas, because right now it's hella crazy. Everybody's apparently buying these boots. So I decided to just cut my losses. Lo and behold, these boots, I got these boots as a gift, and I'm like super excited. Like, I wasn't expecting it, just because like I literally tried a whole bunch of different stores. I tried the website, and there was nothing. Either they didn't have my size or the boots were sold out. So when I got these as a gift, I was just like, what the hell? Like, I really got these boots. So obviously guys, I tried it on already. Like, I literally strut my stuff in the house. I didn't wear them out yet. So yeah, I just kind of like tried them on or whatever. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you guys, and yeah, why not start the year off like this? So I'm pretty sure you guys know what these boots are. Like, from the title you can see that it is the Doc Martens Jadon boots. And guys, let's just talk about the box real quick. This is the box that it came in, and it just has Dr. Martens on the front here. It has Dr. Martens on the side, and on this side it basically just says what type of boots they are, the sizing and the model number, and so forth. So when you open the box, you know guys, I tried to put everything back the way it was, but you know, as you can see, it's a little crushed. Don't mind that, okay? So when you open it up, these are the boots that you see. I'm just gonna pull them out for you guys real quick. Okay, so I got them in black because, you know, I feel like the white was a little too risky. It was a little too risky. I'm already going hard on these boots already. I just wanted to kind of like play it a little safe, even though I'm not really playing it safe when it comes to this. I mean, do you see it? Do you see it? This is not playing it safe. But basically, I felt like black would be the better color to get. Okay, so let's get into these boots. As you can see, the upper area is this nice smooth leather material, and then down at the bottom you have the stitching around the boots, the yellow stitching, their signature yellow stitching. And if you look at the heel, you can see that this heel is pretty thick, it's pretty high, and for me that was the risky part. I felt like the heel was like, it wasn't throwing me off, but it was like, yo, this is pretty bold. So that's why I was really back and forth about the boots, because one, I love the boots itself, it's just that the heel was pretty thick. And I looked at the others, like the regular Doc Martens, and I honestly didn't like them. So when I did see this, I was like, yo, this is bold, but this is what I want. So I'm really glad that I got these as a gift. Like, I'm just so excited about them. So yeah, let's get back to it. It has the laces in the front, and this is what I'm actually happy about. Like, I like boots that have the easy access, because lacing up boots, it's a task. So I'm really glad that these came with a zip for easy access. They came with a tag to help you pull it up in case, you know, you're struggling with putting these on. And guys, this is the bottom. At the bottom, it just has the Doc Marten name and the cross and whatnot. I got these in a size 8. Usually I wear a 8.5, 9, but on the website it said to size down because they do fit big. When I tried them on, they do fit close, but they don't feel close to the point where, you know, it's uncomfortable. It's just that it's just fitted, you know. So I feel like eventually they would stretch, as a lot of people have said, and I hope that they're right, honestly. But overall, it's not tight, but it's not like loose either. I guess it's just right in a sense. So yeah, just to kind of note that, I wish they came in half sizes, because then I would have probably got the 8.5. I feel like I would have feel a little better with that, because I did want to wear them with thick socks, but I don't think I can wear them with thick socks. So yeah, there's that. Guys, I also wanted to show you guys the inside. Hold on, let me take this thing out. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is the inside. You have the Doc Martens on the inside, and then on the flap, this is I don't want to really bend it, but this is what the flap looks like. And basically it just says the UK size, the European size, the US size, and, you know, Dr. Martens, made in Vietnam, and so forth. One thing that you should know, these boots are heavy. And I've seen people say, oh, they're like kind of heavy. No, they are heavy. I feel like I'm walking in slow motion when I'm in these boots. Like, and honestly, I don't really care. It's just that if you need to get somewhere, leave out earlier, because these boots, they slow you down. They are pretty heavy. And I think I do like it, but I don't like it at the same time, because it's like so hard to walk. You feel like you're literally getting a workout. But just to note, yeah, they are heavy. They are pretty heavy. So yeah. But guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you guys want to see more unboxing, because I do have another one that I wanted to unbox. So if you guys want to see another unboxing on my other boots that I got, then, you know, put it down below. And yeah, also, if you guys want me to style this, or if you guys want to see how I would style these boots, put it down in the comments as well. So you could hashtag style boots, and then hashtag unboxing other boots, or okay, hashtag unboxing for the unboxing of my other boots, and then hashtag style boots for if you guys want me to style these boots in my next video. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, thank you for supporting, and yeah, until next time, bye.